In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an attachment using Trello in N8n, step by step. If you're building automations and need to pull attachment data from a Trello card, this is a quick and useful workflow to know. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8n automation guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. Make sure you're in the correct project and that the workflow you want to edit is already available on your canvas. This is important because the node you add will connect to that specific workflow, so starting in the right place saves time later. Next, go to the Nodes panel and search for Trello. Once you find it, select the Trello node and add it to your workflow. This is the node that gives you access to Trello actions inside N8n, including working with cards, boards, lists, and attachments. After adding the node, look for the operation and choose Get an Attachment. This tells N8n that you want to retrieve attachment information from Trello instead of performing another type of action. It's the key step that changes the node from a general Trello connection into an attachment-specific request. Now choose the credential you want. If you already have a Trello credential connected, select the one that matches the account you want to use. If not, you'll need to create or connect the correct credential first, so N8n can access your Trello data securely. Always make sure you're using the right account, especially if you manage multiple Trello workspaces or boards. Once the credential is selected, configure what you need. This usually means filling in the required fields so N8n knows exactly which attachment to retrieve. Set up the details based on your workflow needs and double check the values before moving forward. If your automation depends on a specific card or attachment, accuracy here is very important. After that, review your setup to make sure everything is connected properly. Confirm the Trello node is using the correct operation, the right credential is selected, and the configuration matches the attachment you want to access. Then you can continue building the rest of your automation or test the node to see the attachment data come through. And that's it. You now know how to get an attachment using Trello in N8n. It's a simple setup once you know where to click. Open the workflow, add the Trello node, choose Get an Attachment, select your credential, and configure the required settings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next N8n tutorial for more automation tips.